வாழ்க பூலோகம். Have a healthy and a peaceful life forever. This is Bhaskar, Healer Bhaskar. Now we are going to learn about anatomic therapy. In this therapy, there is no medicine, there is no scan report. Without medicine, we can cure all disease: sugar, BP, cancer, AIDS, rheumatoid arthritis, kidney stone. Like that, we have many diseases. So we can cure all disease without any medicine. Actually, our body is a doctor. Our body knows how to cure all disease, but in our body we have 6 obstacles. In these 6 obstacles, we are getting disease. One is food, second one is water, breath, work, sleep and mind. If you keep these 6 in the perfect manner, our body can cure all the disease. Learning this method is called anatomic therapy. I will not cure any disease. I will explain how to cure yourself. You have to listen. For this we need 6 hours. Option number 1, you can visit www.anatomictherapy.org website. You can download, free download, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu, Hindi, English, all languages, books and videos. You have to just read, or you have to watch our video or listen our audio. This is the treatment. If you are listening 6 hours, after that you come to know what is body, what is disease, how to cure ourselves. So anatomic therapy is a knowledge sharing. Second option, you can come directly. I am roaming all over the world. I am conducting many programs, 1-day program, 5 days program in all the countries. You can watch visiting list in our website. You can come and sit and listen my words in different language. Third one, in India, in Tamil Nadu, we have a head office in Coimbatore. Just you can call and collect our videos and books, and you can read in your home. In these 3 options, you can cure yourself. You don't need to meet me directly. If you have any doubts, you can ask after watching or reading the book or video. So, as per our theory, our body has 6 obstacles to cure our disease ourselves. One is food. We should eat food whenever feel hunger. If you take food without hunger, that will create disease, that is poison. This is the first point. Second point, we should eat with closed lips. While chewing our food, if you are opening our lips, it will be poison. Third one, we should have awareness while eating. We should have attention in the food, then only it will become a medicine. Fourth one is, we have to use our teeth properly. Stomach has no teeth, so chew as much as possible. Then, while eating, we should not take water. Before half an hour, while eating, after half an hour, we should not drink water, because water is the enemy in the stomach for digestion. So we have to take a little bit small. Don't watch TV while eating. It will become poison. Don't read the book. If you are reading, the food will become poison. Don't speak while eating. If you are speaking, digestion will collapse. We can eat anything. There is no restriction in our therapy. You can eat sugar, you can take salt, you can take potato, onion, underground materials, underground vegetables, fat, oil, anything you can eat, but only one condition, we have to eat as per our technique. This is food. Second one is water. We should not boil water. If you are boiling, all organic ethane, methane will go away, go out. In our water we have prana, the life force. If you are boiling, it will vanish. So don't boil water. Don't filter water. If you are filtering by some machine, it will collect all the minerals. Don't filter the water. Don't use bottled water. Bottled water also filtered water. So we should take water, whatever supplies in the tap. Very good for health. There is no limitation of water per day, per human, per person. Because in cooling country, we should take little bit. In hot country, we have to take more water. So, body knows the limit of water. So, don't keep in your mind, per day we have to drink so much liter of water. Avoid. Whenever thirst comes, we have to drink as our body requirement. Then wait for next thirst. This is the limit. Third one is air. We should not use mosquito mats coils because poison. If anybody using mosquito coil or mat, definitely you will become sick person. 8 hours of poison breathe. So avoid mosquito mats. So second main thing is we should live in the air circulation area. In our kitchen, bedroom, office, anywhere, fresh air should come inside, bad air should go outside. We should have a facility for this. Fourth one is work. Heat. We need heat for blood circulation. Most of the disease comes lack of heat energy in our body, lack of circulation in the blood. In our body, we have 11 joints. Toe fingers, ankle joint, knee, hip, backbone, shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist, fingers, neck and jaw. There are 11 joints in our body. Every day we should use the 11 joints. We should give movement to the 11 joints. Then heat will produce automatically. We should have good air circulation. So we should give some body work. We have to do walking or jogging or yoga or exercise, anything, but we should give proper work. We should turn all the joints in our body. This is most important. Fifth one is sleep. We should not take sleeping tablet at any cost because every sleeping tablet manufactured by most drugs, abins, alcohol. So don't take sleeping tablet. We should sleep as per our body requirement. Don't use alarm. If you are waking with alarm means you are cutting 3 to 4 hours of your actual sleep. So you should sleep properly. We should not keep our head in the north direction while sleeping. In the sleeping area, it will be very smooth and huge, large one. don't sleep in the sofa set, don't sleep in the small area. We should have proper air circulation. Then don't use Rexins foams. We should use cotton beds, very good. But foams and Rexins creates a current. It will affect our body current. Sixth one is mind. We have to keep our mind peacefully. I have given many techniques in our videos and books how to keep our mind freely, correctly, how to overcome, get rid of anger, anxiety, fear. Like that I have explained in our books and DVD. So please do visit www.anatomictherapy.org. My name is Healer Bhaskar. This is called anatomic therapy. Without any medicine, we can cure our disease by knowledge. Disease is lack of knowledge. Treatment is knowledge. By knowledge only, we can cure our disease. I am not giving any medicine to you. Just knowledge. So, read all the books, watch all the videos, listen my audios. You can cure yourself. You can treat others also. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a nice day. Have a healthy day. Have a peaceful day. Thank you. World.